my darlings, this is Heart and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a very exciting episode because we are going to pack for the beach. We are going to Amanpulo!
Wow! Let's go!
Pack. I am with Jekka. Everybody knows Jekka. And this over here is John. John is from Cat Cruz's team. And when Cat is too busy, John is styling me. And they're my friends, so it's always fun to pack with your friends. So what are the essentials do you think to bring?
A nicer outfit na it will complement to the surroundings. And then also like a kimono to cover up. Para if you don't want to show something.
If you had a little too much of the barbecue.
Oo, lahat ng kinain. So, kimono is nice.
It's
para
always
it's flowy and then refreshing.
Fresh. Yes. And a lot of people think that when you're at the beach, you don't dress up, you just want to chill. But of course, you need to chill, but you have to be glamorous.
Yeah.
Ikaw, ano mga tips mo when it comes to like hair and what do you like for like, what look do you like for the beach?
I think there's no particular hairstyle naman for for someone na pupunta sa beach. So I guess kung ano lang yung mas comfortable ka, like especially bun or like this hair, the
beach waves. So when you have a lot of like oil on your hair because of the sunblock and everything, iba natin na yung face.
Banat na lang, ilabas na yung face.
In English.
Stretchy.
Stretchy?
Stretch na lahat na isa-stretch.
Alright, so let's begin. We love CHEETAH Rivera. I personally love her. Why? Because she has like a really quirky style, very fun.
Fun and very girly, feminine.
Very girly and feminine and safe. Her cuts are very safe. So no matter what body type, I think CHEETAH would always work for you. So this is one of the outfits that we're planning to bring with us. So it's just like a lounging outfit. So
like loose, like it's a scarf na ginawang dress.
So pwede rin siya maging tent pag ayaw mo mabilid sa araw. That'll always work too. Okay, so we'll think about that. We'll try that on later. And this is also very cute. Yes. We like that dress and you could wear that on top of a bikini or just to lounge, having champagne. And then I also put together a few things. Actually, a lot. Ito na talaga siya, actually. Ito kanina you said kimonos. Let's do kimonos. Anong masasabi mo? Interpret.
This is a very basic, but you can wear it anytime. Like, hindi lang siya pang beach. You can wear it like for daytime.
Yeah, with like jeans, a nice black top.
Going to the beach itself, parang, you can just put it on top. Keme.
Keme, okay. Okay, so ito, I've gotten this a long time ago. This is from ZARA. And you can wear super high heels. So in case you're not that tall, you can just naka-stilts ka na and abot siya, no? So parang 5'7" instantly. I like this, so I can wear this. No, dear, no.
No.
Let's stick to the hair.
High heels sa beach, pwede.
Hindi. Unfortunately, you cannot bring your heels to the beach. But there are ways to look tall, and there are ways to accentuate or like play around with your whichever body type you have to look tall, especially in pictures. Okay, one would be this jumper. Explain and show to the camera.
This is like a wide leg type of pants, and it's flowy. Everything that's flowy is good on the beach.
And you can sort of hide your spadrilles.
Yeah.
And, you know, it won't look awkward. Heels siya. Di na alam. No one will know.
Yeah, it's a spadrilles.
So, that's the style. Okay, another would be, I got this from Aritzia. You could get this actually anywhere. It's like a really nice, just long, it's not flowy though.
No.
But it's good for the nighttime, when you just want to dress up with your hair in a tight bun. I'll show you the pictures once we come out. This one I got long time ago. It's from ZARA as well. Don't we just love ZARA? We love ZARA. So these are really nice.
But women's of ZARA.
Oh, you like also women's of ZARA.
Yeah.
We also love Boom Sason. Love your own. But what I love about Boom, she could make the bikini or the bathing suit for your body type. So these are customized bikinis, bathing suits. So you could go to Boom, she'll measure you and she'll make the bathing suit specifically for your body type. And she has like really nice ways to make sure you look really long, which we all love that. especially for us petite girls. I'm 5'2"
I'm
and a
5'2".
half.
Charot.
Dagdag natin si and a half because that matters. But with this, you're 5'5" in pictures. We love Boom. This is also a top. Okay, you can mix really nice high fashion with beach stuff. A lot of people think that, again, you don't have to dress up at the beach or whatever. But for me, it's nice to, you know, play around with your bikini or your look, especially when you're at the beach and there's no one really there. It's time for you to relax. And if you're like me and you love fashion, that's the best place to play around with your outfits. So I'm gonna get this really cute Versace top, which was a gift from my personal shopper, Eurolux Experience. You can follow him on Instagram. And this is a top that he gave me that you could wear with white shorts, or you could even wear it on top of a bikini.
A wraparound.
Yeah, so if you're too shy to show your tummy or exposed too much skin, you could wear a really sexy, a nice bathing suit and just wrap it around your waist so your doesn't really show so much, and you, especially when you're around friends and you're shy. Yeah. Okay, belts.
Yeah, this cinch your waist if you have eaten a lot. So for that black dress that we've shown earlier, so we can try it as like a
Yes, as a belt.
belt. It's stylish. It will look very different from a plain.
Oh, for sure. It's very Beyonce. Actually, if you notice Beyonce, she has a lot of like bikinis, and then she has like belts that accentuate her waist. And these, you know, I love hats. I also believe in, you know, I love the sun, but unlike before, I used to expose myself and I'd lie down under the sun for 2 hours.
Yeah.
Now I'm very careful with my skin, especially when you're 30-something. So I love wearing hats, and these hats, I actually got them in Vietnam.
Whoa.
I went to the market, they had it in Vietnam, and it's super handy. You can just roll it and, you know, dump it in your bag. Doesn't take so much space, and, you know, by rolling it, it keeps the shape of the hat. And what's nice about it is your head isn't, it doesn't flatten your hair. And you can also do like a really nice high bun and just put it here, and it's super, super handy. So I have this in beige and white, and I always bring this with me. Okay, let's talk about nighttime. What would be nice to wear at night for dinners and everything with friends when you're having nice wine? You don't want to overdo it.
Yeah.
But you also don't want to be
Like
naman.
very basic or like very casual.
I think it's important to
wanna
look good and feel good at the same time. So kahit nasa beach ka, bring in the sparkly. Okay, speaking of sparklies, I got this from ZARA. You could use it as a top, and you could use it as like a dress.
Yeah.
It's very nice, and for those of you that are also, you know, body conscious, it's not super fitted. And if you could wear it like with a tight bun,
Tight bun. Like
and
ponytail.
again, you could wear it with a kimono. So I think it's really nice to invest on kimonos, or whenever there's a sale, it's all out. I suggest if you, I mean, I love shopping anything that's.
Basic rule. Anything that's on sale, if you don't need it, is expensive.
Sorry, I just went against my husband. Patay. Sorry. When he's not looking, just kidding. You know, sometimes you have to let go. Just kidding. Opposites attract. Kimonos and everything, they're usually like my tip. If you're really looking for a good buy and you don't have it, you can go to like ZARA sales. They have everything out. All of the, even the white crisp polos that are oversized can also be worn at the beach. So kimonos are always available in ZARA, and it's really perfect to match with your bathing suit or with like this dress. Okay.
Sexy but classy.
Sexy but classy. Okay. Yes, I think it's important to also invest with like a really nice black bathing suit. It's a basic, it's safe. You don't have to feel shy about your body because black is always becoming, and it looks always nice on your body no matter what body type you have. So a black, this one is from Boom. Boom again. And I have also a few from Eris, which is my favorite brand. This is also from Boom. This is like a high-waisted bikini that, you know, you could wear on your last day, because usually you ate na a lot. So on the last day, medyo bloats here, there, everywhere. So pwede nang less pressure with the high waist. So yeah, black bikinis, black bathing suits are also a must. Flowy pleated skirts at the beach, why not? High-waisted also is becoming, you don't have to show so much skin because sometimes it's also nice to hide a little bit, but still be very appropriate, especially when you're at the beach.
Everything.
Yes.
There's still some like a mystery inside.
Yes, and also like at the beach, I mean, I love it that if you have the body flaunted, but it's also nice to, you know, be still very stylish and accessorized when you're at the beach. Okay, a beach bag. I think Panda agrees. This would be perfect for the beach, and they're super amazing. I'm going to feature them on my website. We will be selling also some of my favorite bags from that store. So I think it's important to have this also with you at the beach. You could just dump everything, your sunblock. Yeah, like so let's start with our packing. That would be one. We're going to be putting other things there too. So night out. Dinner, champagne by the ocean, late at night with friends. Yes.
And then with the kimono. It's a matching for the bathing suit.
This one, jumper to go home, safe. Bathing suit from Boom Sason. Yes. This one, yes. Versace. Hello. With the boom. Okay, so we'll organize the packing a little later. This is for your purpose only. Okay, pants for anything high-waisted for a black bikini. This. Yes.
For a night out again?
Night out, yes. Easy to pair. You could also wear that with your
the
kimono and the belt. Yeah. Cheetah, for sure. Do you agree? Agree. Ito, yes. Eris, love. And what I love about Eris is it comes with a belt. And the fit is really nice. It's super becoming. And you could pair it with like a nice pleated skirt. So you could just take it off from, you know, going on the boat, whatever. This, cheetah moments, yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
For when?
For like a
For an extra layout.
Yeah, layout or launch.
Okay.
OTD.
Okay, let's do that. Uniqlo shorts, yes. Just for anything that, you know, in case
if
white
you're wearing
dresses.
like a very, very short dress.
I think it's always safe to bring that. Essentials.
Your
Let's
Eris.
throw in the Eris white bathing suit. And
then another
this dress.
go, yeah.
Yeah, go. This is to go na lang, to Aman.
Go to Aman.
Okay, so let's put this in the hanger. All right, so now we're going to talk about makeup. Yes. So I always make sure to bring my little box full of my accessories, like really cute gold chain necklaces. I think that's good for the beach. Although I'll be keeping my bangles on, so I think this would be enough. This goes in my bag. This will be my bag of choice for the trip. I'm gonna put that there. I'm going to be bringing my bag organizer, things that I feel I need at the beach. Eucoplast. Where do I use the Eucoplast? I use this as a tape for my, so I don't just use this at the beach. I actually use this for mostly all my outfits because it's skin tone, it's safe, and as long as you remove it properly, we don't have a problem. I am bringing Pia Birch back with me at the beach because of the water. Your hair is really, really dry, so I like to condition my hair. Sunblock, I use Thiocell. I also love their vitamins, so I take their supplements. So I like this line. So sunblock, yes. Moisturizer, yes. This one is from Pond's. It's Flawless Radiance, and it's really nice because it's light, especially for the beach. You do not want to go super oily, especially on the skin for the face, because I break out a lot if I have too much oil and it's really, really hot. So I think this is great. It's a serum, so it's easy to apply. So I'm gonna bring that with me. At the beach, I use a lot of bronzer. Yeah, I mean, the reality is you do put makeup on the beach. So I love my Tom Ford. I take this everywhere. Yes, it's a huge size. I can also put this as a shimmer for my body. So I love bringing that with me to the beach. So I have 3 things, 3 pouches. No, 4 pala. I have 4. I have my makeup kit. And this makeup kit is not just for the beach. I use it for when I travel or whatever. I have my essentials there. Just in case I'll be with my best friend, so there's going to be a lot of photo shoots. So I have my makeup kit with me. I have my toiletries with me, so I have a lot of stuff just in case you're wondering. Yes, I do use Close-Up Diamond Attraction. I endorsed this a few years ago. I am not paid for this, but I really love the blue tint. It really does whiten my teeth, so I bring that with me. My makeup remover, Shumura. I love that. It's the best makeup remover. It just takes away everything, and so far so good. I have lash extensions, and I know it's not supposed to be oil-based, but my lashes have been on for how many weeks, and I've been using my oil cleanser for forever, and it's good. So I think it's working. A lot of ponytail. Yes.
Yes.
It's a must.
You really
And
have.
I'm going to be using this. I'm not going to bring the whole set,
But
but since Jekka isn't coming, I'm going to have to bring this. I reviewed the Dyson Hair Blow Dryer. What I love about this is it's really easy and you don't need a professional hairstylist.
oh my god.
Buti na friendship tayo to use it. I mean, it's so easy. Like, I use it to dry my hair. I usually put this on, and that's all I need. I dry and it gets the body. It's really nice. So when I'm alone, when I travel by myself, this is actually this and maybe a barrel. That's all I bring with me. Okay, so my makeup kit. Well, my friend and I, Albert, we collaborated on a makeup line. So I did a lot of their eyeshadows for Teviant. And he also came up with eyebrow makeup, and it is so potent, and I'm so excited because you could use this for sure at the beach. I am not the type to get tattoos, the tattoo brows, but I think this would be one of the most powerful brows ever. I've been using this for quite some time, and it is the perfect shade for my black hair. So I'm going to bring this with me at the beach, and I think this would be one of my travel essentials. Must. You know what I'm talking about. You need the lip balm. You don't want to be dehydrated at the beach. So La Mer was part of my other vlog the last time. This is also going with me. Natural Actor Concealer. Yes, my best friend for anything. Hives, check. Let's talk about hairbrush. There's so much to talk about hairbrush. This is one of our favorites.
Yeah.
This is from Philippine. It's really soft on the scalp, and you know, especially me, I love to wear extensions, so I could just like really brush through, and it does not destroy my extensions. So I'm gonna bring this with me, and I'm going to bring another one with me. This. Guys, I know my dog likes to bite on this. It's their favorite, but it's really the best just for teasing, so this is gonna be with me. What else? Toiletries, makeup kit, makeup pouch, bag, sunglasses, bathing suit, loved ones except the friends, and we are going to Aman. Okay, so this, Havaianas, nude, a little bit, perfect. May ngat-ngat pa ng dog, hindi na nila alam yan. So I think I'm gonna use this to go to the beach rest. And no, I won't. Yes, nude all the way. This is what I'll be using to go there. Okay, so we're done. So that's how you pack, and that's how you get that effortless look, if you know what I'm talking about. Nobody really knows what we did here. Everybody thinks that you just, you know, it was just natural, just happened like that. So I am so excited to go to the beach. We are going to Amanpulo, and I can't wait to take you guys with me. Mwah!